Hi lovely people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. How are you all? I hope you all fine, enjoying your life well. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are excited to share with you some cool and easy to make crochet caps designs ideas that are perfect for any season. From banyan all the ideas are beautiful and easy to knit at home. Check out these stylish designs that you can customize to fit your style and size. We will show you how to create a beautiful texture using yarn and techniques, plus got tips on how to customize the brim, cuff and pom-pom to fit your style and perfectness. And as a bonus, we will give you a sneak peek into our upcoming tutorial on how to customize a beautiful crochet caps designs ideas for different occasions, special occasion. From sweet and simple to intricate elegance, we will go our range of designs to inspire you. Whether you are a beginner or an expert crocheter, these designs ideas perfect for you. And the best part, you can wear these crochet caps designs ideas with anything. Pair it with a cozy sweater, a leather jacket or a floral dress for a chic and comfort look. If you want more information about crochet work and knitting work, about how to knit this design, how to create a beautiful texture, amazing ideas, perfect patterns, if you want to buy a pattern, you visit many different websites such as taras.pk, aliexpress, etsy.com. You visit and order your favorite design and pattern ideas easily. Thanks for stitching along with me today. Do not forget to subscribe my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell for more crochet ideas, full DIY tutorials, full detailed videos, full explained videos. Keep watching my more different ideas till end and keep praying for me. May Allah will live long, stay happy and stay blessed for me. Please do not forget to subscribe my channel, like my videos and share with your friends, relatives, customers and others. And please be share your creativity with us on different social media accounts using hashtags. Check out our next new more videos about crochet work and knitting work. Happy crocheting, and we will see you in the next video. Hope so you like this all the pattern and different collection ideas. Okay viewers, take care. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.